Hi guys, this is the day two of on OIC course. Today main agenda is to show the instance of the OIC, and exactly we have an Oracle course which is given with the Oracle itself, and the definitions of all these components, integration connections, events, lookups, libraries, tag agents, adapters. Like we have both proper definition and also the remembered basic English. Like even a child should understand those with those definitions. So that's how this video going to be. So it was see, this is given by Oracle, Myler Oracle, which you are all about OIC. So you can learn from these as well. You can check out this URL in my bio. This is like mylearning.oracle.com. You'll get it, or otherwise you can go to my bio. So you are all with demos and admission tasks, building practice also you have. So it's a great course. You can have a look here and as well as my video as well. And now this is instance. Okay, home. We have design. So this how we have like integrations. These are our integrations like create. These are types of integration. We look after the definitions of those things. These are connections. This is how we create. I will show you after all like one integration after the next video. So you understand more about all those things. So these are things. Okay. Now coming to what exactly the OIC. So Oracle integration definition, official definition. Oracle Cloud is fully managed cloud native integration platform as a service provided by Oracle. It enables enterprise to connect cloud and on-premise application, automate business processes, and gain visibility into integration flows, all without writing complex code. Saying the drag and drop thing, very useful. Like platform type is like integration platform as a service. You need to remember this. And deployment is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Primary use is app-to-app integration and automation. Still require low-code, no-code. Visual designer. So you see at the source system. So we can manipulate data in OIC and then like target systems like FTP, REST API, email, third party, or other adapters like ERP or SAP or LinkedIn. A lot of adapters will be available. So we can manipulate those data and we can import to third parties. So that's the official definition. We have some small like you can remember. Think of an OIC as a postman for software. Just like a postman picks up a letter from one house and delivers it to another, OIC picks up data from one app like ERP and delivers to another app like FTP or REST. You no need to write. So like this is simple definition. Okay, cloud based on some cloud. No need to install anything on your computer. No complex coding. You just drag and drop on apps using a visual designer. Real time and schedule. Can send data instantly real time or at a fixed time. Like I will show one small example. Yeah. So see this is like they have connections like actions. You can drag and drop. and we have connections as well. So that's how the integration will be there. The data will flow and we can manipulate here. And we have sent to two adapters here, two targets. See here, FTP, FTP, another FTP, another FTP. That's how it works. Okay, so this is like Postman. So it works like Postman. Data comes from the ERP and we can manipulate here and we can import to FTP server. That's how it works. The second thing, adapters. Adapters. An adapter in OIC is a pre-built reusable connector that implements the communication protocol and API contracts for specific technology or application. Adapter abstract the complexity of connecting to each system. You simply configure them without endpoint URLs, credential operation. OIC handles all the protocol level communication underneath. I think you got it by this definition. You can see like the simple definition. Adapter is a type of a connector, FTP adapter. Connection is one config instance of that adapter. My bank activity credentials. Basically, adding credentials to adapters is nothing but connection. Okay, you can see the simple definition. A phone charger adapter lets your phone talk to the electricity socket. Similarly, an OIC adapter lets OIC talk to specific app. Connection is the actual charger you plug in with your username and password. Right. These are some examples of adapters like FTP adapter, REST adapter, SOAP adapter, Oracle database adapter, Oracle ERP adapter, and file adapter. So this is one of the adapters like ERP Oracle Fusion adapter. Basically, that adapter will understand everything about the Oracle Fusion and like it will extract the data from Oracle Fusion using this adapter with those credentials of this particular ERP. And it will import to this external system like FTP server REST API using those credentials. So basically, this is another adapter. That's how we can manipulate here the data. It's simple. Okay. Next, we have type of integration connections. As I said, this connection in OIC is a config instance of an adapter that stores the endpoint information, authentication credentials, and security policies required to communicate with specific system. Each connection has a unique name and it is usable across multiple integrations. It acts as a named config profile for target of the system. Unique identifier, adapter type, endpoint URL, security policy. See, I will show you one connection so you can understand exactly how it will be. So this is adapters. Basically all like see, Jira, LinkedIn, lot of types of 121 adapters we have in this instance. So basically, it will understand everything about those applications. So connection is nothing but like we need to create this and we need to select one adapter. For example, take the TP adapter. Go, we need to give some name, some random name, TP connection. OIC. Okay. Basically, we have trigger and invoke. I will explain afterwards. These are important thing. We'll take a trigger invoke. You can take both and we can we'll take both. See, here we need to give the host address, like FTP server host address, FTP server port, and we need to give here authentication, like server. So it will connect to that particular server. That's it. Nothing but connection is nothing but giving and credentials to one particular adapter So it will connect to that server or that application. Okay, that is connection. Choose adapted type, give connection a name, enter endpoint details. If endpoint details like host and port. If we have like REST API, we can give those endpoint URL as well. So it will connect to that security credentials. Security. So like the types of connections, integrations, so formal definitions, app-driven orchestration. A triggered multi-step integration pattern where a source system event initiates a workflow that can invoke multiple target systems sequentially or in parallel, with conditional branching, looping, fault handling, and data transformation at each step. So we can this is a formal definition. We have like more and simple definition. Most powerful, like a conductor directing an orchestra. When a new employee joins, create an ERP plus send welcome email plus upload to FTP. So app driven is basically it will takes like in a real time. If one thing happen in one particular application, it directly flows to another application at same time within like in seconds or in within minute. So that's how it works. So for example, take like you applied in Naukari. So it directly pushes those you give your contact name and like email and like your name. It will directly flows to like another third party system like their ATP server like we have like we can like they can store in their FTP at real time, so they can see and they can verify the HRC verify and they call you. So that's how it works, like very in real time. So but schedule is not like that. Schedule is like a time driven integration that executes automatically based on a predefined schedule. It retrieves data from a source, processes it in bulk, and pushes it into one or more target systems without any external trigger. So, like in app driven, we need like manual work to do, but in schedule integration, like it will run at particular time, so it doesn't need any manual interaction. Okay. So we see simple definition. Runs automatically at a set time like an alarm clock. Every night at 11 p.m. Pick up all today's orders sent to warehouse FTP. So if you order on Amazon or like all those we so basically Amazon get thousands of orders. So they take complete thousands of uh, orders at particular at 11 p.m. and they will send to warehouse. So they can use those data and they pick all those items at morning. So it's not in real time. If complete 1,000 to 2,000 or sometimes like 1 lakh data will like, like migrate from at particular night. So it's useful for bulk data. Basically, they can like send multiple datas and at particular time. We'll see those examples in next videos so you can understand that. This file transfer and distributor file transfer, uh, we have like adapter. In Gen 2, we have a separate integration, but right now it is used in like using the server only, like using the trigger and window. But basic routing now we have like event with that application schedule and event. So event is like a simple single step integration that receives a mission from a source system, applies field-level transformation and routes it in a single target field, supports static and context-based routing via conditions. So it's a simple A to B connection like a direct phone call. New order invoice sites and order details to ERP. So I said like same app driven only, but in basic routing, like event based, it will like automatically. So whenever there is an update in particular like ERP or any other application, it will send a message to this one of the integration and that will run and it extracts those data using the another integration. So we need to create two integrations. One integration will receive the message and activate the another integration and it will invoke those data in the very real time. So without losing any time. So like it will use in banking systems and some if they need any real time data at particular without any lag. So they can use this. It is a very simple, very important integration. So next we have lookups. The lookups are very important and let's see these are the lookups we can import, we can create. It is a very useful thing. Okay. See, the lookup in OIC is a cost reference table that maps a value from one domain system code set or language to its equivalent value in another domain. Lookups are used inside a mapper to dynamically substitute values during data transformation, eliminating the need for hard coding conditional logic in integration code. They are maintained centrally and can be updated by administration without modifying the integration itself. So let's see. In Oracle ERP code approved in banking system we have approved. So TP file code AP. So like how OIC uses lookups at runtime. ERP sends approved, OIC looks up table, sends through to the bank. So that's all. Like it is also like a translator. It will understand both data. We will see in a simple definition. You can understand. Just like a dictionary translator, Apple in English to Pomme in French, a lookup in OIC translate a code from one system to the code understanding by another system. No code needed. So like in our Oracle ERP code, we have 101. In FTP system code, India. Uh, so like in OIC, it will understand 101 means India, 102 means USA, like that. While mapping, we will use the lookup. We will see one of the examples in real time. Division, payment terms. Finance team uses short codes, bank uses full name. Finance current 30, bank description 8, 30 days. That's how it will. It's a very useful one. Next we have mappings. Mapping is one of the most important in OIC. Mapping in OIC is a process of defining how each field in the source system's data structure corresponds to and it transform into the field into the target system data structure. OIC provides a visual drag and drop mapper with built-in its path functions for string manipulation, date formatting, arithmetic, conditional logic, and lookups, all without coding. Like we have predefined functions, we can directly drag and drop and we can use. That's how we can simply we can migrate those data. This is some simple. I'll show you. This is called mapper. So we can need to drag and drop. So the data will migrate. Text schemas, migrate data. Okay. Next, orchestration. Orchestration in OIC refers to the coordinated execution of multiple integration actions in a defined sequence, where OIC acts as a central conductor controlling the flow of data between systems. An orchestrated integration can contain triggers, invoke actions, data mappings, switch conditional branching for each loops, fault handlers, parallel calls, wait steps, and notification actions. Trigger starting event, REST call, FTP file schedule, invoke call an external system via connection. Switch conditional branching for each loop over a collection of records, fault and catch and manage errors. So you know some simple code can this will understand what all this. See, new employee onboarding on flow. Trigger HR REST API call. Map transform HR data ERP format. Invoke create employee in Oracle ERP. Switch employee target code connect. That's all. No send welcome email. Let's create IT account. Yeah, so folks. Some real-time scenarios. Nightly order export. Every night at 11 p.m., OIC wakes up, fetches all orders placed today from ERP, converts them into a CSV file, and uploads the file to the bank's FTP server for payment processing. I think you can understand this. Like online store to ERP. When a customer places an order in your online store, the store calls OIC REST API. OIC maps the order details and create a sales order in Oracle ERP automatically. Invoice data to bank. Finance teams approves invoice from Oracle ERP. OIC picks them up, uses a lookup to convert payment codes, creates a file, and securely sends to bank to ERP. Okay. This is our monitoring. I will show you monitoring as well. Monitoring is very important. This all is observable monitoring. They have dashboards, integrations, subscriptions, agents, instances. All is very important. How many errors we can know? I'll show you. A lot more future runs. Instances. So what will have monitoring. Also real-time and historical visibility into all integration executions called instances. Every message processed by OS is tracked as instance with its complete audit trail. Input, payload, each step, output, timestamps, and availability. OS supports automatic retro and failure in the data. Messages, alert notification via email when thresholds are reached. Instances, very important. We will see in next slide. Okay. Next, complete OIC all terms defined. As we discussed, this is summary. You can look, you can take screenshot of this. So we have a quick reference for all key OIC concepts. Okay. Why use OIC? No manual work, real-time speed, one place to manage, preferred adapters, monitoring building, secure, very secure. Quick summary, same as the that's how we can end this video now. Okay, very important this one. I will explain one of the video. I think it takes complete video. Okay, and check out this as well. They explain very well. You can understand. And check out my videos as well. You can get the overview of all these things. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching.